Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to start working with Deliveroo in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to careers.deliveroo.co.uk. This is the official website where you can find all available job openings at Deliveroo. Once you're on the site, tap the menu button at the top right and select Find a Job. Tap the filter icon to narrow your search by location and country. This helps you find jobs available in your area. Next, scroll through the listings, choose a position that fits you, and click Apply Now. Make sure to upload your updated resume and complete your application. After applying, wait for a call or email for your interview. If accepted, complete the training and document verification to start your job with Deliveroo. And that's it. That's how you can start working with Deliveroo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.